Hey guys, it is December 19th, it's Saturday morning and or afternoon, whatever, it's almost 1 p.m. Anyway, I wanted to make this video because if you have been following my videos, you know that I despise trading during options expiration week, which is this week, alright? Weekly options expired, sorry, monthly options expired yesterday. And during this week, the markets tend to be a lot choppier than usual, and the movements tend to be a lot less predictable, and they have a lot less push behind them. Okay, so yesterday was a so-so day for me. I traded SFIX twice, I traded CSCO, and I traded the SPY. Okay, now this is the 15-minute chart. Yesterday, okay, so I picked up the SFIX here on Thursday. It went down all day, but I thought that it actually started to pick up towards the end of the day, and I thought that this is a volatile stock. It is, it can push, right? That's why I gave it a chance. And it acted well in the beginning of the day, but then once I started this rejection, once I saw this rejection, and this started to go down, I said nope, so I got out. Great, I got my loss, that's fine, fine. Then I saw that the trade the pattern was still there, and it looked like it was gonna pop up over 70, so I went in again, but once again it didn't make it, so I got out. Fine, that's fine, it happens, right? Then you see that it didn't do anything for the rest of the day, but look at the last 15 minutes, and it gapped up. It didn't gap up, but like it is after hours, it pushed up. I mean, you cannot predict that. That is options expiration week. But hold on, CSCO. Before I show you CSCO, I said that I gave too much time. It's not moving. I'm gonna get out because there's a huge wall of sellers above, I don't remember, something's 30, right? Whatever number with 30 cents. When I look at it, I laugh. Okay, so I went in here. Okay, went down, went back up. Okay, I said, here we go. It had tried to break 45.30. It couldn't. Then it tried again here. It still couldn't. And once it tried to make it one more time and it retraced, I said, nope, I didn't aid this whole retracement. I got out I got out for a 3% loss, which with options is nothing, absolutely nothing. But once again, look at this. Look at this. You could say that this is power hour. I say that this is options expiration acting up, and this would have been a nice 20-ish% gain had I held, but then again, I would much rather get out too soon and miss the move than get out too late, right? Let me show you what I mean. Oh, the SPY. Okay, so I traded the SPY. I traded the SPY to the downside on the 5-minute. I went in here. Yes. I think I went in here. I went in here, right here, okay? I got out here. When it kept going down, I was like, oh wow, it's gonna go down. Look at this. I mean, how do you predict that? You cannot. This is pure manipulation, and it happens more often than not during options expiration. And of course, yeah, this made both SFIX and CSCO go up, right? But I mean, two lessons to be learned here. The SPY must be traded extremely carefully, and I'm gonna say something that might not sit too well with other SPY traders out there, I think I want to skip power hour because in my experience with the SPY, most of these movements happen towards the end of the day. Now, if I caught this to the upside, that would have been great, right? But look at this. Look at this since this is what, yeah, this is just one day. It had been trading down the whole day. There was a divergence on the daily, bearish divergence, saying that it was going to go down. You cannot predict that it's going to go up. You know, I mean, and if you do, good for you. But this is not easy to predict. And the SPY, in my experience again, tends to make these movements at the end of the day. So yeah, I mean, I would much rather be safe. And like I said 2 minutes ago, I would much rather get out early and miss the move than stay too long and get caught here. Remember, I was going to the downside. So yeah, guys, I wanted to make this video not so much to excuse myself and see, oh, I was right, it was going to happen, you know, on a CSCO and SFIX. I mean, it's always frustrating to see it, but it is what it is. And time and again, I will say it, options expiration week is something that I do not enjoy. Yeah, just, you know, I just have to keep trading like I do, safe, trade scared, and I mean, things will go back to normal next week, and if they don't next week, they will the week after, right? And I'm gonna go back to my regular figures, you know, 30%. I aim for 30% in every trade. I like to keep my losses at 25% maximum. As of late, my win percent has been more about 63, 64%, which is on the low end for me. I usually get like high 70%, like even the 80% for sure. But yeah, but lately the market has been a little bit wacky, and yeah, my system has been suffering a little bit, but I mean, I'm still getting like 63, 64% win rate, which is great. Yeah, so guys, that's it for today. Thank you so much for checking out this video. If you haven't done so already, you know the drill. Subscribe, like, notification button, all that stuff, alright? Okay, now go enjoy your weekend, and I will see you on Monday. Have a good one. Bye.